in this chapter, I am going to explain the procedure to produce biodiesel. And we are going to check the advantage of the biodiesel in comparison with the regular petroleum diesel, and how can I blend it, both of them, or how can I blend it, the biodiesel with vegetable oil. Yeah, what is the advantage, what is the consequence, what type of engines can be running with those fuels, and what is the affection with the environment. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. In general, you don't need any modification in order to use biodiesel. In other words, you can use biodiesel in any type of engine, diesel engine of course, with mechanical fuel injection or electronic fuel injection, doesn't matter. You don't need modifications in order to flush from one to the other one. What is the recommendation? I recommend start blending the actual petroleum diesel with some amount of biodiesel. You can start with 20% of biodiesel and 80% of regular petroleum diesel. After that, 70-30, 60-40, 50-50, and you can increase the number, and in one moment you replace completely for biodiesel, and the result is excellent, especially with the environment. And the performance of the engine is better. The efficiency increased a little. The temperature of the engine is good. I recommend use biodiesel. We are going to use vegetable oil. This is the first element. Any type of vegetable oil. We are going to use canola oil or soy oil or corn oil, any type of vegetable oil. At the first time, I recommend start the process with the fresh oil, and after that you can practice with used oil. Okay, vegetable oil. The second one is methanol. You can use methanol or ethanol. Both of them are commonly used. Methanol, that bottle, the yellow bottle, is basically injector cleaner. Is pure methanol, and we are going to mix it carefully. The potassium hydroxide with the methanol, and we are going to try to emulsify both of them together. Exactly for about 5 minutes. You can mix it, and right now I mix it both of them together, the methanol with the catalyst and the oil. And now we are going to mix it for minimum 5 minutes in order to mix it properly, and after that we are going to let for 24 hours. Alright, right now we have a biodiesel on top and glycerin in the bottom. Right now we are going to separate both of them. We are going to drain in a separate container each of those components. We are going to remove the glycerin. Yes, I remove the biodiesel in one container. Carefully. Biodiesel in one container and the glycerin in another container. The glycerin is heavy. Yeah, biodiesel and glycerin. Yes, my friend, this is the final product. You have on top biodiesel and you have in the bottom glycerin. And now you are ready to separate the glycerin. You open the valve and you storage in this container the glycerin. In that container in the bottom you storage the glycerin, and you can sell that subproduct. In this moment you are ready to supply biodiesel outside. Alright, this is the glycerin. You collect the glycerin over there, you close the valve, and right now the tank is with the biodiesel. You use the same pump to pump it out the biodiesel. In all diesel engines with mechanical fuel injection, and additionally I recommend preheat the vegetable oil. Preheat it around 100 degrees, 90 degrees Fahrenheit in order to reduce in order to reduce the viscosity of the vegetable oil and protect the injectors and the nozzle of the injectors. If you have that older diesel engines and you want to use straight vegetable oil, this is my recommendation.